I'm retired. I'll be 65 next month. I started out with a pain in my hip. I couldn't walk at all. I hadn't drove my car for a year and a half. I had to depend on my son to take me to my doctor's appointments and everything. I went to my regular physician, and she sent me to another orthopedic doctor, of which I went through 2.5 years of pain. My pain management doctor told me about Dr. Onike. I went to see him and he did my surgery. I'm progressing with my walker, but I'm getting so I can do with the cane a little bit too. And he released me to start doing some driving, and I feel like I'm a free woman again. It was my first visit over here to Spotsylvania Regional. Everybody in there was wonderful. All of the nurses, all of the other doctors that came in to see me were wonderful, even down to the cleaning people and the people that brought your food in there. Everybody in there was really super nice to me. The physical therapist, they came in to see me there. They took time, they had patience with me, and they were really good. I just don't think there's another orthopedic doctor in Fredericksburg that can top him. Nowhere.